also has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for southeastern Lake County in northeastern Illinois, north central Cook County in northeastern Illinois, until 8:45 in northeastern Illinois. The storm was located over Wheeling, moving northeast at 15 miles per hour. 60 miles per hour wind gusts. Source: a 60 miles per hour wind gust was measured at Milwaukee Airport. Intact. Expect damage to roof, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Northbrook, Winnetka. p.m. At 8:03 p.m., a severe thunderstorm. A 60 miles per hour wind gust.
Thank you.
On the list, include Northbrook, Winnetka, KXI 41 Crystal Lake. Severe weather. Lincolnshire, Arlington Heights, Wheeling, Bannockburn, Lake Forest, Riverwoods, Prospect Heights, Buffalo Grove, Mount Prospect, Morton Grove, Niles, Wilmette, Park Ridge. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building.